Well, I was toasty warm last night. This standard feather down doona, and it was easily enough. It was hot. They use the japara cotton, which is just a really, really densely woven cotton. The dense weave is enough to hold the down in. Plus it's longer wearing and things like that. It's 2 layers and they create these baffles. They're just squares that hold the feather and the down. And if you go out to look for one, you'll see that they've got different size squares. So a smaller square means that feather downs can be held more in place. They don't float around so much.
But I sewed a few tassels onto it so I can tie it into a sleeping bag closure. I can double it over so I can get 2 layers on top of me. It's a very generous size sleeping bag.
Obviously sleeping in a nylon bag is pretty awful. It's not something you'd sleep in at home because you kind of know it's not comfortable, it's not nice. A king size, which is much larger than a standard sleeping bag, stuffs into my back sack tightly. This king size japara cotton feather down stuffs down to maybe 20 litre. It's a little bit heavier and a little bit bulkier, a lot cheaper and a lot nicer to sleep in.
Hot water bottle, very good thing. Stayed warm around my feet. Yeah, it was really good.